finally free again. We can try to do repairs like Aaron Glenn, fixing the time machine, doing what we can to ensure that D-Hood is never in danger again, so that we can go back and save Big Blue. And I found a path through exactly on this day. We can go back in time 5 years ago and finally get Big Blue out of there and bring him back, just like what they did with me. I miss you, Greg. I wonder, are you still walking on that peg leg? We gotta fix the time machine, do our repairs. That comeback was crazy, Caleb Williams and the Chicago Bears. So we brought out the time machine, ready to make our repairs. We're gonna make it spick and spam while eating green eggs and ham. But I'm late for my appointment, so I gotta catch the tram. We're here, and then I see Greg. He mentioned the time machine. I said, don't worry, I'll help you repair it so we can get our Big Blue back. We're gonna save D-Hood with all that we could. So let's hurry up and get to work, because if so, in no time, the time machine will be ready, and the day to bring Big Blue back will be primed.